Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward task: how to pin Google Chrome to your taskbar on your computer in 2025. Whether you're rocking Windows 11, 12, or whatever comes next, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. Why bother? Pinning apps like Chrome means faster access to your favorite browser for browsing, streaming, or working. It's all about efficiency. First things first, make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. If not, head over to the official Google website, download it, and install it quickly. It only takes a minute. Once that's done, let's get started. Open Google Chrome by searching for it in your Start menu or double-clicking the icon on your desktop. Now, with Chrome open, look at your taskbar. That's the bar at the bottom of your screen where your open apps appear. If Chrome's icon is already there, great. Right-click on the Chrome icon directly on the taskbar. A menu will pop up. Look for the option that says, Pin to Taskbar, and click it. Boom! Chrome is now pinned and will stay there even after you close the app. What if Chrome isn't on your taskbar yet? No worries. Go to your desktop, find the Chrome shortcut icon, and drag it down to the taskbar. Once it's there, right-click it and select Pin to Taskbar. If you're using a customized setup, you might need to check your Start menu. Search for Chrome, right-click the result, and choose More, then Pin to Taskbar. In 2025, Microsoft might have tweaked things a bit with new updates, but this method works across most Windows versions. Remember, if you're on a Mac, this doesn't apply. You'd use the dock instead, but that's a topic for another video. And there you have it. You're all done. Pinning Chrome makes your workflow smoother and saves you time every day. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.